Hello folks, welcome once again to my YouTube space. As usual, my name is Richmond Yamido and this is Tutorials Academy. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Design tab, which is next on the list of our PowerPoint beginner series. So without wasting much time, let's just get down to it. So this is the Design tab. This tab right here. From this, please follow my mouse pointer. Kindly follow my mouse pointer from this end to this end, right? From this end to this end makes up the Design tab, right? And then it has been divided into three groups. Pardon me, it has been divided into three groups. We have the themes group, the variants group, and then the customize. We've already spoken about the home, insets, so now we are on design. Next will be transition, so stay with me, right? Yeah. So under the themes group, we have some themes here that already exist in PowerPoint, right? You can leverage on these themes to make the best out of them. Let's say you are working on a presentation and for some reason you don't have time to create your own theme, or you're not getting any design ideas, right, for your theme. You can come here under the design tab in the themes group and then pick any of these themes, right? They are very nice, very simple to work with. You understand? Any of them that will fit your presentation, and then use it, right? No one will arrest you, no one will do anything. It's a way of being creative, right? It shows that you know how to use PowerPoint, right? Also, if you have a theme, right? If you have a theme saved on you have a theme on your machine and you want to apply that one, you can come to browse for themes, right? I believe I have some. Yes, 1 2 3. I have themes already saved up. If I click on any of them and I click on apply, it will apply that theme for me. You see it? So this is a theme I have saved up on my machine, right? So in case you have a theme, you want to use that one, or you've worked with a particular theme. Let's pick this one in this sense. You've worked with a particular theme and then you like that theme and you want to use it another time. You can come to the themes group, click this drop down arrow here, this down arrow here, and then click on save theme, right? To save it on your machine. Anytime you need it, you just come, click on browse theme, and then access it, right? Yeah. So that is all for the themes group. Very simple and straightforward. Now let's talk about the variants. The variants deals with colors. You see, the variants deals with colors. Different colors that the theme can take. You see the colors, the font, and then the effects, as well as the background style. You see it? Yes, that is what the variant deals with. So you can change the colors. You see, there are lots of colors here you can use, right? There are lots of colors here that you can use. If you hover over it, you will see how it will look for the presentation before you choose it. You see it? Yeah. And then we have the font. Let me insert text. Let me add a text so that when I change the font, you can see it. As usual, change my font color to black. Sorry. What else? Can you select center align, increase the font, make it bold. Yeah. So if you have a text on your slide, right, come to the design, come to variants, then click on font. You can change the font. Use it. You can change the font. Let me move this to the left so that you can see it very well if it's changing. Yes, design, variant, and then font. You see the text, the font of the text will keep changing, so you can hover over it and then see how it will look. Each text will look for a presentation before you select it, right? And then effects. For you to see the effects we must add a shape. Let me add the shape for instance. Right, let me add the shape. Now when I add the shape and then I come to design effects, right, you can see that my shape is changing. You understand? The style of my shape will keep changing, right? For the effects to take place, you must have some shapes, right? You must insert some shapes of, and yes, some shapes on your slides for the effects, for you to see the effects taking place. You see, as I move by it, the style of the rectangle keeps changing. You see, yes. So that is the effect. And then we have the background style. Here you can change the color of the background, just the background. You understand? Not the color of the whole theme, just the background. Can change the background to white. You see it. Can change it to black or blue. You understand? And then there are different designs you can use. You can use the gradient, or you can click on format background and then choose gradient fill, picture format, where you can add a picture to your background, patterns, right? You can choose any pattern of your choice and choose a very nice pattern for your presentation, or you can just hide background graphics here. You understand? If there are any graphics in the background, you can hide the background graphics so that you get only the background. You see me? Yeah, that is it. So that is all for the variant group. Now let's come to customize. Here you can customize your slide size. You can customize the size of your slide. You can customize the size of your slide. This is where you customize the size of your slide. In case you don't like the size, for some reason, let's say you are working on a flyer or anything apart from the normal presentation you are doing, right? So you can edit it here, you can custom it, change the layout of your slide here, right? Overhead, banner, on screen show, whatever you want to use. And then you can edit the size, the width, and then the height here. You can change the slide layout from portrait to landscape. Do you understand? Yes. And then click on OK, maximize, and then it will change. You see, it has changed the layout of my slide, both slides, right? Because I chose it to start from the first slide. Can choose it to start from the second slide, and then it will affect the first slide. Yes. So that is it for slide size. And then format background. I've already spoken about format background. It is the same thing as background style, formatting the background style here. The same thing here, right? Once you click on format background, in case you are finding it difficult to recall that it is here, you can click on format background and then work on it here. Change the color of the foreground, change the color of the background. This is the foreground. You can change the color of the background and then to change to red. So the foreground is yellow and then the background is red. You see it. You can change the color of the foreground to blue and then the color of the background to a different color. Say black. You see it. So we have our foreground to be blue and then the background to be red and black. Sorry. You can apply it to all slides, or you can just apply it to the current slide you are working on. Yes. So that is all for the design tab. Very simple, straightforward, and short. Thank you for watching this video. I believe you've learned something. I believe you've enjoyed the video. Please do well to like this video, share to others who find it insightful, and subscribe for more content of this sort. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.